Meeting with your inner teacher. New Hermetics meditation. The purpose of this tool is to provide you with a powerful internal resource for giving you advice on any subject, helping you to understand your internal experiences and assisting you to remove blocks and end conflicts inside your own inner temple. Your inner teacher knows everything about you and your universe. Because this teacher is a representation in the ether of your own connection to cosmic consciousness, you've always had this inner teacher. It is the inner voice that gives you sound advice when you are troubled. Your inner teacher is a real connection with cosmic consciousness, and you will gain tremendously spiritually and practically from the use of this technique. You'll have access to your inner teacher anytime you need assistance through the use of this tool. Your inner teacher will also be an excellent resource in solving conflicts with others. When you're working with your inner teacher to resolve a conflict with someone, tell it about your conflict and ask what this person symbolizes on the inner plane for you. Your inner teacher will then show you an image or a symbolic representation to what this person symbolizes. It may be a being, but it will not resemble the person with whom you are troubled. It will be an archetypal energy that you will see that you're projecting onto them. Then you can ask this figure or symbol if it will communicate with you, whether it agrees or not. Ask the figure to show you and tell you how you can get along in the most beneficial way. Ask it to work with you in this transformation of your life toward the possibility of infinite peace. If the figure seems reluctant or hostile or aggressive, ask it how it can relate more positively to it. Consider any advice that you receive, however strange it may appear, and thank the symbolic figures. This is an excellent tool for dissolving conflicts with other people. Enter the altered state. Make sure that you are totally relaxed. Go to your inner temple. Perform the new hermetics, grounding and centering meditation inside of your temple. Look up at the globe of light. right above you. Visualize a figure in the middle of the light that's right above you. This is your inner teacher who has always been there that you have never noticed before. Allow your inner teacher's wisdom, love, protection, and acceptance to flow into you. Feel this blissful exchange. Start receiving visual impressions of your teacher. Begin with his feet, shoes or bare, dress, body, fat or thin, short or tall. What kind of feelings do you get about your teacher? Is your teacher active or passive? Gentle? Extroverted? Your inner teacher will always have the same appearance from now on. It will not be anyone that you know or any famous figure, historical or fictional. Most likely, the figure's appearance will be vague at first. Do not worry. It is the connection that is important. Ask your inner teacher to take both of your hands. Feel this connection. Allow your teacher to give love to you. Allow yourself to feel an intimate connection with your teacher. You may ask your teacher's name, but do not get upset if you cannot hear it today. You'll eventually come to know his or her name if it is necessary. Ask your teacher for guidance on any subject that you need to know about, or for assistance in removing any blocks or problems in your life. Allow images and insights to be exchanged between you and your teacher. If you do not understand any messages that come to you, ask for them to be clarified, and they will be. When you've finished the communication with your teacher, go ahead and speak to it if you've got a few more things to say. And when you have finished communicating with your teacher, thank it and make sure it will be available when you need advice. You will be assured of this. Perform the new hermetics grounding and centering meditation in the center of your temple. And return to normal consciousness.